Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications. Hello friends, I'm Priti and welcome to our channel Krazzy for DIY. Today we'll learn to make a very popular greeting card which is famously called Waterfall Card. And this is how it functions. So let's begin. Let me first tell you about the measurements that I am following. You may increase or decrease them proportionately. So first we'll cut out 4 square boxes in the dimension 6 cm by 6 cm. Then we'll cut out 4 another colored squares of 5 cm by 5 cm. And then a thin strip of paper in dimension 30 cm by 4 cm. Then in the second step, we paste the small squares on the bigger ones. And these are all done. And now we'll work on the strip. Mark measurements as shown. Now make score lines in all these lines except the last one. So we'll start from this one and continue. And it's done. And now paste these squares on the strip in the 2 cm area each. Like so. And it's ready. Now we shall cut the tail of our card short as per our choice. And then we'll take a strip of paper in the dimension 10 cm by 2 cm and fold both the sides like so. Now apply the glue and paste it on this flap. Like this. And paste the two ends together. Now we'll take a base card and paste this part of the card to the base. And that's it. I'll write "pull me" here. And the waterfall card is ready. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Krazzy for DIY.